everybody, welcome back to Resto Warehouse. I'm Ace. Today we got something really special for you. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air station wagon. Let's check this thing out. All right, let's check out this engine bay. What you're gonna find up underneath the hood is an LS2 over 400 horsepower. That's a lot of power to keep moving this wagon down the road with your family and your friends. You're gonna find a polished radiator, you got a polished cooling condenser, polished radiator support. It's also got a Serpentine kit with power steering, AC, you got a Wilwood master cylinder. This thing is show and go and head down the road in this. All right guys, let's talk about the interior because the interior is something to talk about. What you're going to be sitting on is an all-leather custom interior in this car. The seats have been reformed. They sit amazing. The leather's super tight. So you're going to find like a desert tan and then a bronze leather. It's got the V inserts in the centers. You got a tilt wheel, built specialty steering wheel, classic instrument gauges. And don't forget about this awesome 6-speed shifter. It's got Daytona weave carpet. Even a suede headliner in here. You got LED lighting when you open up the doors. This is just something that you don't see in your station wagons anywhere else. Let's talk about the back of the station wagon here in the trunk area. You're gonna find leather on your drop-down tailgate. You got your Daytona weave carpet. Then your custom surrounding right here. Covers up your fender wells, everything. Everything was hand-built on the interior of this car and wrapped in leather. This car is just, I'm gonna keep saying it, amazing. There's not too many words that you can say for a station wagon in this style right here. And so we're about to talk about the exterior because that's something else that is pretty awesome and we need to touch on. Check out these beautiful colors right here. You got Sierra Gold, which is a correct 1957 color. And then you got a bright white on the roof and you got bright white down here in the fin area. Then we're gonna talk about the wheels and tires. It's got 18 and 20 inch built specialty speedway wheels, then wrapped in Michelin tires. And hiding behind all that are a set of Wilwood calipers and brakes. So this car has really got everything that you would want in a fun-filled driver right here. It's got the look, it's got the style, it can go, it can stop. What more would you want? If you want to see more vehicles like this, visit restowarehouse.com. Give me a call, 865-409-5407. Make sure that you follow all of our social media platforms and like and subscribe to Resto Warehouse on YouTube. I'm Ace, and again, keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.